I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here. My husband Alan and I are hosting a Labor Day celebration tonight, and I thought I would invite you to come along. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. We're getting everything ready outside, nice and clean, and we're getting ready to cook a wonderful meal to share with friends. We're also going to be hosting some games and some other fun activities. I'm going to get busy working on my dessert for Labor Day. For our Labor Day get-together, I have graham crackers and sprinkles and chocolate candy melts that I'm going to melt in the microwave and dip these wonderful graham crackers. I'm also going to be making some little sugar cookies that I've dipped in red, white, and blue sprinkles. When I have guests over, I always love to send something home with them, a special little treat to take home after the party. I have these little metal buckets, and I'm going to put a little bag inside each one, and I'm going to fill them with some of the treats that we made today, the chocolate covered graham crackers and the little sugar cookies with red, white, and blue sprinkles. I'll add on a patriotic ribbon with a metal star and some little red, white, and blue beads. Our take-home buckets are all ready for our guests to take home when they leave the party today. I'm making some wonderful homemade baked beans for the Labor Day picnic today. Today I'm making Tennessee onions. I'm going to take a big onion and slice it into portions. Now that I have all of my onions laid out on a piece of foil that's non-stick, and I sprayed the foil too, I don't want them to stick, I'm going to go around and just sprinkle some salt on the top of each one. I'm going to add some garlic powder and some oregano. I'm going to add a pat of butter to the top of each onion pile. Now I'm going to add some triple cheddar cheese on top. You can add whatever cheese you like. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan and Romano cheese. Now that our onions are all ready, I'm going to take these to our preheated oven, and I'm going to bake these at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. We'll want to make sure that our onions are nice and soft and the cheese is all melted well on the top. For Labor Day today, Alan is making some bacon-wrapped hot dogs. They are so delicious when they're grilled. Look at all of that delicious bacon. This will be great on our hamburgers today. I have some wonderful games planned today for the Labor Day celebration. I have Connect 4, a homemade ring toss game, this super fun game that I made myself. This is a ball toss game, and I have 3 balls here. This will be so much fun. I have my dining room all set up for the Labor Day celebration. Everything is ready to go for the get-together. I'll be using this beautiful platter for the cookies. It's time to set the rest of the food out. Our friends will be here anytime. Our friends just went home from the celebration. We all had such a wonderful time celebrating Labor Day together. The food was scrumptious and the games were fun. And of course, the fellowship was wonderful. We really appreciate you being here, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.